Hi, I'm Angela Alston, and I'm going to be teaching Finding Your Seat, Boston Shambhala Center. And you may be wondering, why would I be interested? Like, what would that offer for me? So one answer that I would have for you is that attending to your thoughts or not attending to your thoughts and the practice of meditation is not always simple. Our minds can be very busy. Finding your breath is sometimes not simple. And when you layer into that discomfort, like I'm not comfortable in my seat and my legs are going to sleep or this hurts, then I think you've created an obstacle, or you have an obstacle which is unnecessary. So that when you begin to attend to yourself with the tools that I will offer you in this workshop, you can find a place of greater physical presence and physical comfort and really come in more fully into the work of settling your mind, being with your breath, spreading your attention. So come and find out.